Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send Bitcoin on Cash App. So to send Bitcoin on Cash App, here's a quick workaround on how you can easily do that. So if you're on Cash App for mobile, open the app, then log into your account, then tap the money tab or the B Bitcoin icon if available. Then tap Bitcoin, then tap from there, tap the paper lane icon or send. Then enter the amount you want to send in Bitcoin or USD. Then paste the recipient Bitcoin wallet address or scan their QR code, which is very important. Then choose the withdrawal speed. So you can set a standard, priority, lightning. Then once that is done, review the details carefully. Then tap confirm and send. Then you can also authenticate your PIN, Touch ID or Face ID. Then Bitcoin will be sent either on chain or via the Lightning Network, depend on your selection. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.